All I can say is get used to it. Yes, there's South Light all day long.
Welcome to 269 West 72nd Street, 15B.
Yes, this falls under the adage, careful what you ask for.
That's right, high floor, South Light, completely renovated and move-in ready.
Did you say renovated, windowed, eat-in kitchen or home office?
Did I mention a king-size bedroom?
And I love the 2 entries to the windowed bathroom.
From the kitchen or from the bedroom? Andrew, I have to say, let's get back to this kitchen. Stainless appliances, quartz counters, great cabinetry, and a lovely area for dining or a home office if you choose.
Let's not forget this building is pied-à-terre and pet-friendly.
And there's a great dog park just a block away at 72nd Street and Riverside Drive.
Yes, this is all about location, location, location. The subway is a block away, and so is Trader Joe's. Let's not forget Lincoln Center is just a few blocks away.
There are 4 apartments on each floor, and there's a live-in super who accepts packages too.
And if you'd like a private tour of 269 West 72nd Street, apartment 15B,
give us a call or send us an email.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.